Whoa! Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm in the river. I was sleepwalking. Hey guys, King of Villagers here, and we are back for another How a Villager to Survival Part 2. So today we're gonna, focus reconstructing the house. Yes, the house of villagers! There. So yeah, I just put this here, put this here. Yeah, I'm on the third level right now. Oops. And I put a wooden plank on the window. A wooden plank on the window. A plank on the window. Plank on the window. And I see an ocean beside me. Exact. I see an ocean. And I'm kind of like... Oops. And I'm kind of lagging. Ugh. Hang on, I'm trying to get up here. With my recording, the lag. And I made another mistake. Yeah, I just laughed at my mistakes. Have you ever heard of how Thomas Edison came up with the light bulb? He made 1,000, like I think 1,000 mistakes, and then he didn't even call them mistakes. He called them 1,000 ways to find out how to make a light bulb. Yeah, so yeah, lags. Why do I keep putting it there? Yeah. Come on. Oh, look. I see a squid. Yeah. Yeah. I could have been faster in building, but thanks to this, I'm faster at building. Yeah, seriously. But since I'm, and I made a mistake again. Where? What the? Oh, okay. Yeah. I need this plank. I need this plank. I need this plank for the sake of the world. For the sake of Minecraft. Mistakes happen. And it's all, and I don't know. Why am I lagging? I haven't released a video like this in a while. Last video I released was an animation. Yeah. And I ran out of wood, so I said, how much wood do I have? Oh, just a stack left. I mean, I need to get wood soon. Huh. Ha. 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 Oh, wait, is that a horse? It's a horse! A horse! Horse! Yeah, a horse. It's a horse! I'll get one of them later on. Later, but maybe not this part of How a Villager does survival. Look at me! I have a long nose! I have a long nose! Yeah! I have a long nose. I do have a long nose. Yeah! Why do you keep making... Why does this keep happening? Yeah! I'm gonna go get that later, since it's gonna be... Ow! And I hurt myself. And yeah, I think I'll go... What happened? Oh, wait, oh, okay, I was kinda lagging. And I live beside an ocean. Yeah, I have a pretty nice house. I wonder what I should call this place. I wonder. Hey, what do you want from me, horse? Oh, you're eating grass. You're eating grass. I should have known. You were eating grass. Oh, okay. I'm running through the sea. Running through the sea. Diving! Yay. Yeah. Life is so fun. I need some dirt for a temporary wait. Please don't tell me I I'm gonna get a shovel later. I will wait. I'm gonna go get a shovel later. Shovel. Yeah, and I repeated that twice because it's so essential. I repeated it twice. Whoa. Hey there, horses! Again. Nah. I'm crossing the river. I wish I had a boat. I wish my face was in a mountain. Nah! Hurry up! Stop lagging! This isn't the time to lag! Under the order of the villager king, you're not allowed to lag. Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Two! Ah, come on. I see a squid over there. He's swimming! Look at him. He's swimming. Yeah, and I'm so lagging. Wait, did I... Ah! Wrong place! I meant to build it at the 5th later. But I guess it's what villagers are known for. And I need to pick that one up. Ah! Ah, come on. And I pretty. Yeah! I should put it. Where should I put it? Which one's front? Oh, yeah, there's the front. I remember that time the creeper got me. But that doesn't mean I'm over with it. And I'm gonna go get more wood. So, and I need to craft a shovel. Any crafting table with me? No? Okay, I'm gonna bring this one. Crafting table! Hurry up! This is... Oh, wait. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! I just love swimming under the sea, and I never bother anybody. Just please tell me that's not. Just please tell me if you don't want to hear that. Cause yeah, it's a chicken leg and an egg. A chicken leg and egg. There you go, chicken. That's all your babies. I'm gonna. That chicken is gonna be my. That chicken will have babies later on. Very good babies. Yeah, you can't beat me, pond. Is this the right place? Is this the place where I got it last time? Because it's been a while. It's been a while since I last was here. Yeah, definitely. I just... Ooh, look at that! An oak tree! Ha! Yeah, and I gotta know. Oh yeah, I haven't planted them. I should plant them. Yeah. Plant. Let's be environmental, shall we? And plant this here. We shall remake the forest. Mankind needs to conserve energy. Or in my case, villager kind. Yeah. Hang on, I'm just trying to Oh look, a tree! A tree of power! Ugh. What time is it? Oh, it's almost sunset. I better run home before the crazy zombies get me. I hate them so much. These days I hate them so much. They hate us too much. Why can't they eat something else? Come on, I'm so tired of that. What do you want, pig? What do you want, pig? Hey, pig. Hey, pig. Oh yeah, I get it. Ah, sorry, pig. I'm just gonna cut this tree down, cause you see, Gola can do it for me. Oh wait, and then did I crash? I crashed. Did I crash? Yeah. Oh, okay, there. I'm back to normal. Ugh. I need to get home, pig. Sorry, pig. Gotta go. Oh, yeah, and replantation before the crazy zombies get me. And I think I may need to eat pretty soon. Ow. Ow, my face. Yeah. Hurry up. What do you want from me, sheep? I'm a brown sheep. Made of, I do not know. I need to get to bed. 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 For the sake of Minecraft. Oh, it's the horses. Hey there, horses. Yeah. Oh no. Not the zombies. No, I'll just go. Just not the zombies and the spiders. Ah! So close. At least she didn't explode this time. What's worse? I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Even if you explode, I lured you into water so you can't explode. There. Oh, okay. At least it helped the zombie. Did I? Ah, screw. I gotta go to sleep. Hurry up. Yeah. You can't beat me, zombie. I told you. You can't beat me. Pretty soon when you're... Let me see if you're burning. You're still there, but you'll be burning pretty soon. I'm so glad you've tasted enough of our kind. Let me just craft these. You tasted enough of our kind, zombie! Urgh! It's time for the justice of the villagers! Urgh! Yeah, King of Villagers has earned the achievement. I'm a zombie slayer. Yeah, I know it's Monster Hunter. I'm just messing. And yeah, I still need to build whatever the stuff in here. The stuff. We are just building house, and I see a squid. 2 squids, in fact. And a horse in a forest, and I made a mistake. Yeah. Pretty soon I'll need wait. Why did I crash again? Huh! Hurry up! Okay. I'm just gonna... This recorder's only up to 15 minutes. I'm just gonna pause it. So... There. And there's another cutscene. Yeah, that's only because 15 minutes. That's my recorder, you know, has little, only reaches up to 15 minutes. So we were building the house, part 1 of a build of a house reconstruction. Yeah. And I still keep making errors. Yeah, still keep making errors. Dun dun. I love the music. No no no. No no no. And there goes another error, but that's okay. Okay, so I have a goal to finish the first floor before it reaches 15 minutes. So, yeah, I'm gonna go get some more wood. I'll get wood. Wood, wood, wood. You get it from the sea. Joke. Yeah. Look at me. I'm a submarine. Yeah, I'm a submarine. Now I'm a land walker. Oh, hey there, horse. Horses. And then there's a skeleton that died here. And let's pick these up for later use. I might as well turn these bones into bone meal. And chicken, that's yours. Sorry. I don't mean to pick. What the? Chicken, where's the chicken? Oh yeah, there you go. Chicken, here's your egg. That belongs to you. That belongs to you. That belongs to you, chicken. That doesn't belong to me. I have no interest with eggs. For now, I don't have any interests with eggs. We are climbing up the hill again. And there's the brown sheep in the lava. Can I go into the lava? Yeah, I'm joking. I'm kidding. And I saw a tree. I mean... hurry up! Move! I may need to get a new pickaxe soon. Yeah, I said it twice. So I sometimes tend to repeat things. And yeah, looks like I need a pickaxe. I'm just gonna punch this with my hand. And it's taking super long. Okay, there. Well, hopefully I don't have the trouble. I'm just gonna get... It's a good thing I have a 2 sticks. So you put 2 sticks here, and then you put 3 planks of wood, and you get a wooden axe. Oh yeah, I forgot I had the sword. I should use that earlier against a zombie. I forgot. I should have known. And this is what you call reforestation. It's for the sake of the war. No, 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 no. Ah, this music feels so good. Sounds so good. Believe me, C418 makes good music. I like his music for Minecraft. C418 makes such good music. Relaxing. And if you don't know who C418 is, he's the you know, the what it calls. Yeah, he's the music producer. He's the one who makes the music for Minecraft. Ow, and I hurt myself. Where's that chicken? Oh wait, where did the chicken go? Oh look, coal. Yeah, I have no interest in coal because I have everything. I hear water. Reforestation! And I don't know where I am. Oh yeah. Oh look. You see the pigs? They're pink. They're pink. Pinky pigs. I'm here to get the wood. Come on. Let's do some parkour. Parkour. Yeah. I rule at parkour. I think I could get this. Oh look, a field of flowers. Guys, if you're watching this, you could probably give this to the love of your dreams. I'm joking. Oh man, I'm really joking. But yeah, give it to your. And if you haven't admitted that you love that person yet, I suggest you get a flower here and give it to him or her and say I love you. Yeah. Oh yeah. How rude of me. Reforestation. Okay, I think this should be enough wood, so I'm gonna go head back to the house. And I think it's setting down. I better grab my sword just in case some zombies try to capture me and do something to me. That's not so good. Good. Yeah. 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 Hey, horse. Submarine mode. Submarine. Woo! Explorer of the Villager Ocean. The explorer of the Villager Ocean. How's that voice for Villager? Yeah, I remember Villager News. That's so. Wait. Didn't I put the chicken here somewhere? Wait, please don't tell. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no. I'm hungry. Guys, can you please give me food? Food, please. Joke, I could. Yeah, of course. It's impossible for you to access here. And I think I better get to sleep soon because I see the stars. Well, okay, is that Betelgeuse constellation? And is that Orion? Nah, I'm joking. I'm just messing around. So let us go to sleep. I'm crazy, alright? I'm the craziest. Yeah. 11, 10. Oh wait, that's not. I better go get some chicken first. Sorry. I better go get some chicken. I better go get some chicken. I'm hungry. Hungry. Me hungry. What do you want, horse? I'm not coming for you. Okay. The chicken can't see us. Yeah. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'll make it up. Yeah. Come on, I'm hungry. If you guys abuse, if you think I'm abusing chickens, sorry about that. I'm hungry. I'll probably make a farm of chickens and cows and sheep and those stuff soon. I see a squid. You see over there? Look over there in the plus sign at the middle. I see a squid. Woo! I think I'm gonna build a bridge here sometime. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna cook this for dinner. But we were gonna have it for dinner. Yeah, I know. Ha. It's being weird. 1, 0. Oh wait, no, 0. Okay, we have a stack left. A stack of wood. Yeah, we better complete it. And I just heard a cat in real life. I just heard a cat meow in real life. As in when I'm recording now. Burning furnace. Okay, let's eat. There, I'm full. I can't eat, so I wish there were KFC. I wish there was KFC here. Complete the ceiling. And I made a mistake. Yeah, over there. I'll fix that mistake later. Yeah. Take that. One more row left. I'm usually faster, but it could cause mistakes and yeah. Okay, so we're done, and I'm just. Oh wait. What time is it? Oh, okay. It's still not yet midday. I can tell the time. I have the ability to tell the time without clock. You know how? Just look at the position of the sun or the moon if it's nighttime. Yeah. We're just gonna go get some wood. And I think I should grow some wood. Whatever. What do you want, Hoss? I'll get you one time. I'll get you one time as transportation. Yeah. Kaboom. Kaboom. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Eh. 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 Whee! Running into the sunset. The villager king is running. And it's midday. Midday! Okay, I'm just gonna type something. I'm just gonna achieve. I'm just gonna cheat, okay? Slash get wood by myself. Do it now. I'm joking. Plus that's a nonsense command. Yeah, I'm not interested in birch trees. I'll have them another time. But please don't think this is birch discrimination. Whatever. I see a tree. A tree. This is a flower. Whoa, look at that. Believe me, this is a lot of flowers spawn here. A lot of flowers spawn here. That's so good. Whoa. Oh, I thought I fell. It's good if it didn't fall. You must always be... Rule number 1. Always be careful when mountain climbing. I'm just gonna get some more wood and then I'm gonna head back to the house. I'm gonna jump. Whee! Oh. I'm crazy. Sorry about that. Yeah, must hurry. Hurry. I'm gonna go. Yeah. I'm gonna go make some. I see squid. Yeah. I should have known there was a wood plank all this time. I'm just gonna make some stairs. Where do I put the stairs? Left or right? Let's put it at the right. Yeah. No. Nah, just the right. I'm gonna have to get rid of you. Sorry. We have one more stairs. Yeah. Okay, and that's it for me, guys. The recorder's running out. It's about 15 minutes. So yeah. Goodbye, everyone. Have a good day. King of Villagers. And tune in for our next survival gameplay, I guess. And I'm just gonna say this to you. Ha!